Good morning, everybody. It's Redsquadron 4 here for Box Break 76 for a single box of 1112 Pinnacle. The time's 8:38 on March 11th. And our box is here. Hoping for no randoms. Internet right now is down. Here's our serial number. Alright, folks. And good luck to everybody. Alright, folks. Well, that's the first base pack. With the assumption I can get back on the internet soon, hopefully get these cards out to you. I want to mail them today, so I just gotta hope I have access to eBay or PayPal. Alright, getting the base packs out of the way nice and early. And we have, for the Chicago Blackhawks, Patrick Kane Game Nights. Blackhawks, Patrick Kane Game Nights. That's alright. Still some of my favorite cards. Private signings for the Canucks, Alex Burrows. Private signings, Alex Burrows, Canucks. Base pack. Another base pack. So with the private signings being in there, I've actually had boxes with 2 autographs, which is not common. Pinnacle. Jamie Benn, Dallas Stars Breakthroughs. With the extra private signing. So this is a lot of potential. Just clearly not at the beginning. Another base pack. For the Tampa Bay Lightning, Victor Hedman Rink Collection. Victor Hedman Rink Collection. We have our second breakthroughs for the Boston Bruins, David Krejci. For the Dallas Stars, Steve Ott, Reds. Dallas Stars, Steve Ott, Red card. This is the longest we've ever gone without getting any of the rookies. Alright. Tough time for the Maple Leafs, Wendell Clark. And our first rookie for the Flyers, Zach Rinaldo. Zach Rinaldo. So we're going to see if this actually plays. Seems that with Pinnacle, to package their rookies together. So I predict an Adam Larson rookie in here somewhere. Oh, look at that. Adam Larson. Devils. I don't know why they do that. Every time I pull a Ronaldo, I pull a Larson. We have a team Pinnacle. It is Penguins on that side, Blackhawks on that side. So this will be random, sadly. So because I mentioned that my internet is down currently, I'm going to be setting up a separate video for this and one from my anthology break before. So that will be random later. I don't see these cards too often. The die cut Revolutions for the Rangers, Henrik Lundqvist. Henrik Lundqvist Revolution. Not sure how I feel about those. Kind of different. Maybe a little colorful for me, but certainly rare. And another base pack. And we have another Pinnacle rookie for the Jackets, David Savard. For the Montreal Canadiens, Brendan Nash, Pinnacle rookie. For the Blackhawks, Corey Crawford breakthroughs. last pack. Peace. All right, folks. Thanks so much. White balance. There we go. Thanks so much again, and look forward to working with you in the future.